Hi everyone, this is Brendan Weiland from Cadillac Sioux Falls again, and I have here a 2020 Cadillac CT4 sedan, all new from Cadillac, and is a direct replacement of the Cadillac ATS sedan. Just want to do a quick walk around so you see the new styling. These come in very inexpensive for what you get. Start at $34,000 for a rear-wheel drive model with available all-wheel drive. Only adds $2,000 to the price. I have to say, just from spending a little time in this car, the interior quality is much improved over the old ATS. Rides smoother, it's quieter. It's got the all-new 2-liter turbocharged engine with an 8-speed transmission. We'll jump on the inside here. And here we are on the inside of the Cadillac CT4 sedan. As you can see, there's a lot of similarities to the CT5 sedan. It's a little bit smaller screen than the CT5. This is an 8-inch versus the 10-inch on the CT5. You can see climate buttons are all pretty much the same. Heated seats. This one does not have an electric shifter. It is your standard shifter. It's a backup camera. Some of those other nice features like showed you on the CT5, auto hold, the different drive modes. Again, you've got the personalization of the My mode, the touring, the sport, and the snow and ice. You have to say again, the fit and finish and interior quality, big improvement over the Cadillac ATS. A lot of nice leather and stitching, aluminum, metal accents here. Screen is all reconfigurable in there. And I'll jump in the back seat here, I'll show you that. And here's the rear seat. One big improvement over the ATS again with this new CT4, rear legroom. A lot more rear legroom back here. Plenty of headroom. So your passengers are going to like having a little more space. And here's the trunk, spacious. Rear trunk, rear folding seats if you need the extra space. Easily get a set of golf clubs in here. And that, folks, is the new all new Cadillac CT4 sedan, brand new for 2020. Might do some updates here when we get a Sport in, and maybe even possibly the V Series. So stay tuned. Again, Cadillac Sioux Falls. My name's Brendan. Feel free to stop out.